Alright, so I just wanted to make this quick video to show how I completed this assignment for lesson 1, creating a simple web server and publishing it through Render. So what I did to accomplish that, so the assignment was to create a web server that returns a name of somebody that you know through a route. So the way that I did that, I just did it in one little file, just this server.js file. So the way I kind of have it written out here, of course it requires HTTP, just like pretty much every site. And I did a conditional. So I've got my constant server here. And so what I've done is I've done it to where it requires this URL extension here, /name, in order to display the name. So it does have to like call that and then display it, just to make it a little more interesting. So if require URL /name is satisfied, then it'll display the name shown here. If not, if else, then it'll throw this 404 status code and it'll just show not found. It'll display not found instead of the name. And then have it on port 3000, so when we run the server it'll be on localhost 3000. So we'll go ahead and show how that works. So we are going to go do npm start, and then of course we can see here that it's running on localhost 3000. We're going to go localhost 3000. So of course we can see here it says not found because it is not calling the correct URL. So what we'll do is we'll do /name, and then of course here we have the name that I specified. So then we'll get rid of that and go ahead and shut down this test server here. And I published it to Render using my GitHub repository that it's stored in, so I built it off of that. And of course here we can see my logs and stuff. So I'll go ahead and click on this URL here. It's from my Render build. So when we first pull it up, of course we see not found again. And then just as before, if we do /name, we then see the name. Yeah, and that's pretty much all there is to it. But yeah, very simple. Thanks so much.